if the charge on capacitor is increased by 2 coulomb. Suppose initial charge on capacitor Q1 is equal to Q. Then new charge on capacitor, it is Q plus 2 coulomb. The energy stored in it increases by 21%. If E1 is the energy stored in condenser initially, then after adding 2 coulomb of charge, the energy stored, it is great, its energy increases by what? 21%, means original energy E1 plus 21% of E1, it means it is E1 plus 21 by 100 into E1, or it is equal to 1.21 times that of E1, 1.21 times that of E1. Now we know that energy stored in a charge condenser, what is the formula for energy stored in a charge condenser? It is equal to half of Q square divided by C, half of Q square divided by C. So the initial energy stored in charge condenser, it is half of Q square by C, and the energy stored in charge condenser when plus 2 coulomb charge is further added to that capacitor, and that is equal to half of Q plus 2 whole square divided by C, Q plus 2 whole square divided by C. But it was given that this E2 is equal to 1.21 times that of E1. It means half of Q plus 2 whole square divided by C is equal to 1.21 into what is energy E1? It is half of Q square divided by C. So this C and 2 on both sides get cancelled. So we are left with Q plus 2 whole square is equal to 1.21 into Q square, taking square root on both sides. So it is 1.21 means 1.1 and its square, and it is Q square. Therefore taking square root on both sides, so Q plus 2 is equal to 1.1 times Q, or take this Q to this side. So 2 is equal to 1.1 Q minus of Q, that is equal to 0.1 Q, or Q is equal to 2 divided by 0.1 means it is equal to 20 coulomb. Q is equal to what? 20 coulomb. So the correct option for this question is option D. 20 coulomb is the correct option for this question.